Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get unlimited free USA phone number for verification. You can see there is unlimited USA phone number. You can use any kind of phone number for verification. So I will show you step by step how you can get this application, also how you can verify it. Right now I'm gonna show you live proof, that is how I can verify it. First of all, select any number. So I'm gonna select this number. Okay, then at the top of the side you can see here that is 20 seconds ago someone verified it, and 3 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago someone verified Facebook or something else. So you can also do it. Right now I'm gonna copying this number. At the top of the side you can find here there is copy option, so I'm going to copying it. Okay, then you can see here that is copied from this number. Then I'm going to verify any application. Suppose I'm going to go in Play Store and I just installed this application Bigo. So right now I'm going to verify it. For verifying it, just clicking on open. Right now it's opening. So right now I'm going to give here an US number for verification. You can see +1 is already given. Then I'm gonna give others number 21. If it is not copy paste, is not work, just write down this number anywhere and then just type here. Alright, then click on next. Right now you can find here there is login via verification code, so just click on it. Right now a code number has been sent here in last 60, this number. I'm gonna check it out, that is, have I got this code or not. Yes, has been, just close it. So I did not get this code. Right now I'm going to resend it. So it's resending. A code number has been sent there. So I'm going to check it out one more times. You can see that it is just one, and just now I got this code number 181955. It's my code number. You can see live proof. I'm going to show you. There is 181955, 1819 and 55. So I'm going to type here 181955, this one. Then it's automatically verifying. Boom, it's working. Right now I'm going to log in here. So right now I'm going to show you that is how you will find this application. First of all, just go to this Play Store and search here the application name is temp number. In first one, this is the application. So temp number you can find here. It's already I have installed. Just click on OK. I have used just now, and you can use any kind of number from there. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you feel better, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting